Say hi to the fan cam. Nah, just say hi to the cam, yo. What the heck?
It's gonna fall. Get it.
I ain't beat the. Put it down. Ready to fight? You already know. Can't do it right now because I got this in my hand.
Now put on somebody that has skill. So you gonna hold it? You gonna hold it?
What do you think I'm gonna do? Play with it?
Yeah, point the camera at me though.
Okay.
Put that glove down.
Just go.
Put that glove down.
I got it. Go.
You got it right here.
Yeah, I got it now. I got it.
Yeah, I can sing the move. You got it. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
I'm showing this in school. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna put this glove down.
Told you.
Saved by the girls.
You wanna see that kid kick again?
I kick it.
Knock
This
out.
is boxing, not kickboxing.
Alright, it's boxing. 1, 2.
You a girl, sir? But it's red. Woo-wee. It's all dirty.
It is.
I said it's dirty.
I know, it is. All clean. It's hard to hit a wet punching bag.
Well, dang.
Look at how I can punch this.
Oh, it fell.
3, 4.
This thing's too heavy.
That phone's heavy?
I said that's a punching rag.
That phone's too heavy. Get off my bike. Don't you have 2 bikes right there?
Maybe.
I know mine's comfortable and stuff, but you can get off.
Isn't that comfortable?
Don't sit on it.
Right? Yo. Come on. I almost broke my arm. I almost threw that thing at you.
Do it! Don't do it. I know I'm not strong, right? I'll break your arm with it.
No, because you hit it right here when it was like that.
Exactly, I'm strong.
No, when it was like that and then you punch it, it's going to go in.
Nah.
You want to get hit in that arm?
Yeah.
Right?
But you can't put it on.
You put it on.
Because I had it on.
Exactly.
Alright,
So.
good. Do it right there.
Come on. This is how you did it.
Trying to swing on me, boy. Trying to swing on me, boy.
Stop. Stop.
You got a glove on.
Dad, he's coming.
Look at the door.
The party pooper.
The party shipper.
My socks coming. It's on my socks.
He's not even there.
Or is he? How about you try punching this so I don't have to hold it? And I could just get a good view.
What? What? Can't punch it this hard because of breaking knuckle power.
The clubhouse.
The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come on, Friday. It's fun inside. Yo, shout out to my son Mosita. I'm over here. Shout out to my son Mosita who fought Kaden and whooped his booty. Hey, how you like this finger, huh? How do you like that?
Like it very much.
Thank you, because I'll punch you in your face with it. Hey, KJ, come out. I'm joking, don't. I'm really ugly.
My friend KJ lives over there.
He's not our friend. Kind of trick. Let's go on the nose. Oh, look at that.
Yo! Now what? Hey, I'm gonna court you. I'm gonna court you. Stop!
You cool, right?
Can you stop? Can you stop? I'm so Stop! Come on! Okay, but I didn't throw it that hard.
No, baby. I'm trying to hit the punch bag. Hey, you guys, right here. What? I'm here to hit the punch bag. What?
There's a glove right there.
I know.
Knock that door down. Ah!
You like kicking
Ah! It's not just your stuff.
It is.
It's not.
Because I asked for the gloves.
Can you get off my arm?
No. Get off of me.
No. You on me. Get off of me and I'll get off of you.
Get off of me and I won't get
No, because you won't get
Get
off.
off of me and I'll get off of you.
So you swear?
I swear.
No. Come on, get off my finger.
Okay. I'll come up.
Can you stop? I got a headache. Stop, I got a headache. Shut up.
You don't want to go on something like this.
Bye, people. 8 minutes.